play a little fun game जिसमें आपको जल्दी से जवाब देना है इन चीज़ों का. I'm gonna ask you for Dubai Bling season 3. Who's the most entertaining personality?
Entertaining Safa, I think.
Safa, yeah, definitely. Oh my God, you know that scene in which he says, "Ek second you can look at a girl, and the second you look at her, it's cheating."
Oh yes, I think that was too much, by the way.
Listen, obviously, I think it's scripted. He hota hai.
Should be scripted. I mean, that was ridiculous, by the way.
That was ridiculous. Like 1 second, and no unidentified females around my husband. Yeah. She said.
And the husband. I mean, he was so patient with her.
He was like, wow. So, do you think she's a trophy wife? ये trophy wife का भी तो concept एक होता है ना कि हाँ पैसे वाला है, शादी की हुई है, she's spending the money, but
yeah, I mean, because I don't think she does anything other than
but I think she's wealthy herself. Like, yeah, she comes from a wealthy Iraqi family as well.
Yes. Her husband seems like a very, a very patient. Like his personality is nothing like Safa.
Hence
maybe it's like opposites. Yeah, I mean it's like opposites attract. Yeah.
Acha, best fashion show mein kiska hai?
Zena. I love her.
She's really nice because she connects with the ambitious side as well.
Yeah.
Most dramatic.
Ibrahim.
Oh my God.
I think it's too much.
So many people are hating on him. अभी उसका कोई नया rumor आया कि उसने nose job कराई है, I think.
Oh really?
हाँ, तो उसने बोला कि it's none of anyone's business. मैं जो भी करूँ अपनी ज़िंदगी के साथ. And guys, Ibrahim's playing on TV for you guys right now as well. अच्छा, best acting किसकी है इस पूरी situation में?
I think Farhana.
Farhana. Yeah, I think so. Sometimes she can be a bit annoying also.
Yeah, that's the thing. She has good acting. It's like मतलब कुछ जगहों पे लगता है
कि scripted है. अच्छा, अभी तक best episode कौन सी लगी season 3 की?
Actually in the end, how it ended.
Reconciliation.
Yeah. So I really hope that things go. I always say if it's a toxic friendship, cut it out, or otherwise then because it was getting very
too much.
It was just getting too much, too dirty. Like going to somebody's place, going for a dinner or a tea, and then
ending up in big fights.
Yeah.
And not just that, I think एक और चीज़ I'd love to point out as well कि ये जो ज़ेना और सफ़ा की दोस्ती दिखाई है, कितनी कम लड़कियां हैं जो आजकल इस लेवल पे जाके दोस्ती दिखा रही होती हैं. I mean,
and
होता है.
accepting each other with all flaws, like I think that's how friendship should be.
Should be कि आपको अगर पता है कि आपकी दोस्त बुरी है, आप फिर भी accept करते हो और उसको support करते हो. हाँ, किसी के सामने बेइज्जती नहीं करनी चाहिए अपनी दोस्त की.
बिल्कुल.
What do you think is the most authentic person in this show? सबसे authentic कौन लगता है?
सबसे that I'm forgetting the name of this guy.
कौन?
Who in the end who spoke to Ibrahim that
Oh yeah, I know Zena's husband.
No, not
Zena's.
Zena's husband.
Zena's husband, the bald guy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the best scene? कौन सा best scene?
Like I said, the ending was good.
The ending was good.
Yeah,
okay. And best fashion किसका लगा अभी तक?
Dania, like if you talk about makeup.
And fashion entrepreneur in terms of doing well for herself and.
I think Mona Katan.
Mona Katan की makeup look भी हमने discuss करनी थी. अभी करते हैं, पहले ये खत्म करते हैं. Most glamorous moment of the show. Of the entire season 3.
I like that masquerade dinner or party.
Yeah.
I think that was quite nice.
जो पूरा ने gemstones लगाए हुए थे इधर कितना cool makeup किया हुआ था.
Yes, that was quite interesting.
Imagine the amount of people who get opportunity to shine through the show, right?
Yeah.
अच्छा, luxury lifestyle award सबसे ज़्यादा किसको मिलना चाहिए?
I'm not too fond of Safa, but I think
maybe Joanna. I think Joanna के पास सबसे ज़्यादा है.
Yeah. Safa is also too spoiled, I think.
हाँ, Safa is, but Safa का you haven't seen season 2 and 3 ना?
Yeah.
उसके अंदर तो she's actually breaking a room down just to make a walk-in closet and all.
Oh yeah, that was in season 1.
Season 1.
That's
too much.
Spoiled. Yeah, too much.
भाई मुझे भी चाहिए ऐसी closet, मुझे भी चाहिए.
Is it for real? Like seriously, like. Yeah. And getting upset and making such a big deal out of it.
I'm sure कुछ scripted भी होगा.
Pretty sure, yeah.
अच्छा, and best party planner out of the lot.
I think this girl who's an actress, Mahira.
Yeah.
her party was quite nice with all white and all. That was quite beautiful, the lunch that she had. That was quite nice,
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so I think we have in a very lovely manner, managed to sum everything up that we could from you, for Dubai Bling as well. And thank you so much for being on the show.
You're most
Thank you so much for sharing your tips with us. And jaane se pehle, if you can give us a little fun tip for the ladies who are watching you right now, कि हम 2025 में कौन से trends follow कर सकते हैं? Just for the girls.
I think just be yourself. I would say, you know, just love your skin.
Yeah. किस तरह के colors पहन सकते हैं? Shimmers in है?
You know, I always say, you know, just don't try to be over the top, or you know, don't try to be like, you know, if like, you know,
someone you're not.
Someone you're not, or trying to follow trends. I think you will know eventually, like, you know, what suits you, what you're comfortable in. Just follow that.
Just follow that, absolutely.
And make beautiful memories. 2025. That's what's important.
And if there's something you want to say about, you know, aesthetic treatments as well, that'll be.
Of course, why not?
Because we were talking about it.
Yeah, why not? I always say, you know, good skin, fresh skin, I mean, that's great. But try not changing yourself, like, you know, your features. Or
absolutely. Thank you so much, Aisha, for a lovely, lovely time.
You're most welcome. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. And we will, inshallah, have you again. And then we'll do another segment for more fashion, more makeup.
It will be a pleasure. Thank you.